Should I buy or sell NIO? The report for NIO was first published on our website Thursday, January 19, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since January 18, 2023, our system ranks NIO as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.372. In this period the stock has had a loss of -2.18%. This is an average return of -1.09% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for NIO, our last headline reads, NIO stock price down 0% on Thursday. No changes to the price of NIO stock on the last trading day, Thursday, January 19, 2023. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 0% from a day low at $11.01 to a day high of $11.01. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.57% over the past 2 weeks. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $30.88, and the lowest price was $8.38. Right now the price is 65.12%, or $20.11, below 52-week high, and 83.92%, or $56.22, below all-time high January 11, 2021, where the price hit $66.99. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 6.9% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -2.82% and 37.02%. The 12-month trend indicates a -41.80% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -77.16% and -7.78%. This equals a price between $2.46 and $9.93 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Thursday, December 29, 2022, China Renaissance set price target to 10.4. On Tuesday, December 20, 2022, Mizuho set price target to 28. On Monday, November 28, 2022, Jefferies set price target to 11.26. On Monday, November 21, 2022, Deutsche Bank set price target to 21. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Barclays set price target to 18. From analysts, NIO stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for NIO. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The NIO stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $11.40 and $11.47. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Volume fell on the last day without any changes to the price. This does not cause any direct divergence, but may be an early warning and a possible turning point. The very low volume increases the risk and reduces the other technical signals issued. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, January 18, 2023, and so far it has fallen 0%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 94 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 84 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 78 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $10.98, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements and therefore the general risk is considered very low. However, be aware of low or falling volume and make sure to keep an eye on the stock. During the last day, the stock moved $0 between high and low, or 0%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.96%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for NIO. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. NIO currently has a price-earning ratio of -1.60. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released March 22, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $0.260. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, NIO meets first resistance at $11.68. If you do not hold NIO shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, NIO finds first level of support at $10.63, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for NIO is buy. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is NIO stock a buy? NIO holds several negative signals and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 20th, we expect NIO to open up $0.0850 and start trading at $10.86. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to